Maraming salamat po sa ating 3 youth leaders from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Since we heard from youth leaders, we will now be calling someone to represent the teachers in the room. May we call on stage Ms. Lyle Soriano, a public school teacher, for her commitment.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Lyle Soriano, a public school teacher from the largest school in Region 1, Mangaldan National High School. On behalf of the educators present, I proudly present before you our commitment to elevating civic education in the country. We are not only 21st century educators, but are also learners, committed in improving ourselves to handle situations in our respective designations accordingly. First, as a 21st century educator, we fully commit to being a part of the greater whole and work towards the goals set by our institutions. We will consciously and continuously listen and observe how we can contribute and assert our role in shaping the minds of the Filipino youth, while also acknowledging our own limitations. Second, as 21st century educators, we fully commit ourselves to lifelong learning, not only enhancing our knowledge for the sake of civic education, but more importantly, intentionally immersing ourselves in our communities so we could craft our lessons empathetically, putting the needs of our students first while instilling a leadership mindset so that they may be ready to lead for their community and for their country. As 21st century educators, we commit to fostering a collaborative climate where students can feel confident to express themselves, ask for guidance, and explore opportunities to work with people beyond their school and community and into the greater society. Third and lastly, we fully commit to the best of our abilities to facilitate a delightful learning experience, starting inside the classrooms and transcending to the communities, using civic education to holistically aid in the development of the intelligence quotient, emotional quotient, and adversity quotient of the 21st century learners. That despite the perils of the world and the people around them, there is always hope, and there is always something that they can do for a better future and a better today.
Maraming salamat po sa ating teacher at youth leader. At this point, may we ask everyone to please stand up at sabay-sabay po nating i-recite ang oath ng nating mga Pilipino para sa bansang Pilipinas. Babalik po tayo sa pagkabata natin. Pwede po bang sabay-sabay po ulit tayong balikan at mamanata bilang makabayang Pilipino?